1. 1977 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street. Price: $12.500. Located in Parrish, Florida. This 1977 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street is a rare and eye-catching street machine that stands out from typical muscle car builds. Showing 77,000 miles, this silver coupe combines classic late 70s styling with serious pro street attitude. Under the hood sits a strong 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine paired with a manual valve body automatic transmission, delivering firm shifts and aggressive performance suited for both cruising and spirited driving. Power is transferred through a durable Ford 9-inch rear end, a popular and proven choice for high horsepower applications. The car rides on massive 31 by 18.5 rear tires that give it an unmistakable stance, while new front tires ensure balanced handling and a confident road feel. The wide rear footprint and lowered profile create a bold visual presence that turns heads wherever it goes. The interior retains its factory black trim, preserving a classic look while the exterior silver finish complements the Pro Street setup. This Monza runs good and is described as a reliable cruiser, making it ideal for weekend shows, local events, or casual drives. With fewer examples of Pro Street Monzas on the market, this vehicle offers uniqueness, performance, and strong enthusiast appeal. 2. 1977 Chevrolet Nova. Price: $18.000. Located in Spring Hill, Florida. This 1977 Chevrolet Nova is a rust-free street and strip machine built for serious big block performance. Finished in black with a red interior, this Nova presents a bold and aggressive look that reflects its powerful drivetrain. Showing 67,000 miles, it has been well maintained and garage kept, offering both reliability and strong visual appeal. Under the hood sits a massive 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine delivering tremendous torque and acceleration. The drivetrain is described as bulletproof, making it capable of handling hard launches and track use. For those seeking even more power, the car is equipped with a secondary fuel system designed for nitrous oxide support. This is not a stripped-out race shell, but a solid, well-prepared street and strip car ready to perform. The automatic transmission provides consistent shifting, and the overall build focuses on performance over comfort, with no power steering, no power brakes, and no air conditioning. It is built to go fast and built to be driven. This Nova offers a raw muscle car experience with strong mechanical integrity and impressive horsepower potential. 3. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Price: $22.000. Located in Port St. Lucie, Florida. This 1971 Chevrolet Nova is a serious pro street style build designed for high-performance driving and aggressive track presence. Finished in purple with a black interior, this Nova combines classic early 70s body lines with extensive chassis modifications. The car has been back-halved and features mini tubs to accommodate wider rear tires, enhancing both traction and visual stance. The drivetrain includes a 350 cubic inch engine topped with a tunnel ram intake, providing strong airflow and classic race-inspired performance. Power is delivered through a 4-speed manual transmission, offering a hands-on driving experience that true enthusiasts appreciate. The rear end features a Ford 9-inch setup, supported by coilovers, and a reinforced chassis structure designed to handle substantial horsepower. Equipped with a roll cage for added safety and rigidity, this Nova reflects its street and strip intentions. While the mileage reading shows high numbers, the focus of this vehicle is clearly on performance and structural upgrades rather than original preservation. This 1971 Nova presents an exciting opportunity for buyers seeking a bold, race-ready classic with strong mechanical foundations and aggressive pro street character. 4. 1967 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova Pro Street. Price: $70.000. Located in Orlando, Florida. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova Pro Street is an exceptionally built high-performance machine combining professional engineering with classic muscle styling. Finished in gray with a black interior, this all-steel body Nova retains its original glass and chrome bumpers while hiding a serious racing foundation underneath. Showing 12,500 miles, it represents a carefully constructed and maintained performance build. The front suspension features a Heights SuperRide 2 subframe, providing modern handling characteristics. Power comes from a professionally built 426 Dart Little M Pro Block engine with 13-to-1 compression, Dart-ported heads, and a matching Dart intake manifold. The engine is paired with a TH400 performance racing transmission equipped with a Pro brake and a 4,500 stall converter. An Induction Solutions NOS fogger system adds substantial horsepower when activated. Supporting components include a Ford 9-inch rear end with strange aluminum third member for .30 Pro gears, 35 spline Moser axles, ladder bar rear suspension, AFCO and strange adjustable coilovers, Willwood brakes, Weld wheels, Kirky seats, autometer gauges, and an 8.50 certified chrome moly cage. This Nova is extremely fast and professionally assembled for serious street and strip competition. 5. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street. Price: $14,000. Located in Spring Hill, Florida. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street is a solid all-steel project with extensive chassis and suspension upgrades already completed. Built with a back-half setup, ladder bars, and coilovers, this Camaro is designed to handle significant horsepower while maintaining classic first-generation styling. The car includes a 10-point roll cage for safety and rigidity, making it suitable for high-performance street or track use. The rear features a fabricated 9-inch housing with 35 spline axles, while ProStar wheels measure 15 by 14 in the rear and 15 by 4 in the front. New tires have been installed on all four corners. Additional upgrades include aerospace disc brakes front and rear, tube control arms, QA1 front coilovers, rack and pinion steering, Ultra Pro light steering column, new full quarter panels, and a 6-inch cowl hood. The car retains a factory dash and steel body structure. It is being sold firm and can also be purchased with a fresh all-aluminum 5.3-liter LS engine build paired to a TH400 transmission for additional cost. This Camaro represents a strong Pro Street foundation with serious potential. 6. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Pro Street. Price: $52,000. Located in Sylvania, Georgia. This 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Pro Street is presented in excellent like-new condition and built around a massive 496 cubic inch engine. Combining the legendary Chevelle SS styling with Pro Street performance upgrades, this car delivers both show-quality presence and serious street performance capability. The 496 big block engine provides tremendous torque and horsepower, making this Chevelle a powerful and responsive machine. The Pro Street configuration gives the car a wide and aggressive stance, emphasizing its performance intentions while maintaining the classic early 70s muscle car lines that collectors admire. The vehicle is described as being in perfect condition, reflecting careful ownership and attention to detail throughout the build. With its bold appearance, strong drivetrain, and iconic SS heritage, this 1971 Chevelle stands as a premium muscle car investment. It offers the ideal combination of classic Chevrolet styling and modernized high-horsepower performance for enthusiasts seeking a standout street and show vehicle. 7. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Supersport. Price: $30,000. Located in Summerville, South Carolina. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Supersport is a freshly restored Pro Street roller built to handle serious horsepower while showcasing iconic late 60s muscle styling. Finished in beautiful white with bold black stripes, the paint is described as a 10 out of 10, presenting a clean and aggressive appearance that highlights the classic Chevelle body lines. The exterior restoration has been completed with attention to detail, giving the car strong show-quality presence. This vehicle is being offered as a roller, meaning it does not currently include an engine or transmission. However, the chassis has been professionally set up for high-performance applications. The frame is not stock and has been modified to support substantial horsepower, making it ideal for a big block or high-output street strip build. It is equipped with 3.73 rear gears, four-wheel brakes, and new wheels and tires that have only been used for a short test drive. An automatic turbo 400 transmission with a reverse valve body is available separately for additional cost. This Chevelle SS represents an excellent opportunity for buyers looking to complete a pro street project with a freshly restored body and performance-ready foundation.